Temperature off by 20 degrees? Fix it fast. Before you assume the oven is wrong, let's test it properly and dial in your settings the right way. Step 1. Test the temperature the right way. Pick a bake or convection bake function. Set a common target like 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the door, press start, and wait for preheat to finish. Then let the oven run another 10 minutes so the heat can stabilize before you check it. Step 2. Measure with an oven thermometer. Place a simple hanging oven thermometer on the center rack. Open the door quickly, read the dial, and close the door again. This checks the oven cavity temperature, separate from the built-in food thermometer. I've linked the easy read hanging thermometer I use in the description. Step 3. Fix airflow and placement that skew heat. Make sure the crumb tray is seated in its slot, not on a rack. Don't cover trays or vents with foil. Use the sheet pan on the wire rack, never on the elements, and leave about 1 inch of space around the oven so the fan can circulate heat evenly. Step 4. Adjust your set temperature based on what you measured. If your average reading sits about 20 degrees low or high, compensate on future cooks by increasing or decreasing your set temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, or extend or shorten time slightly. Convection ovens heat differently than traditional ones, so small tweaks are normal. Step 5. Reset saved settings if needed. If the panel seems to remember odd settings, restore defaults. Press and hold the temp, shade, and time slices buttons together for 5 seconds. Then repeat the test. If your oven still runs off by around 20 degrees across multiple tests after these checks, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you dial in accurate temps, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a hanging oven thermometer, I've linked the one I use below. Big dial, easy to read, and it hangs or stands on the rack. Thanks for watching, and bake on target, not on guesswork.